From our Sambucus family to your family, Nature's Way delivers the best quality and variety of solvent-free elderberry extracts of any brand. Dad likes maximum potency Sambucus in vegetarian soft gel capsules. Mom likes Sambucus Immune in the daytime and Sambucus Nighttime at bedtime, with melatonin and herbs for restful sleep. Auntie June likes sugar-free Sambucus. Big Brother Bob likes organic Sambucus zinc lozenges. Little Sister Susie likes Sambucus gummies with vitamin C and zinc. Little Brother Billy likes Sambucus for kids in original and organic. Grandma likes Sambucus Fizzy, an effervescent drink with 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C per dose. And Grandpa likes original Sambucus in syrup and lozenges. So when you're shopping for the best quality, solvent-free elderberry extracts, you can be confident in Nature's Way Sambucus for the best variety to keep your whole family happy and healthy.